Which type of error occurs when credit sales is wrongly posted to purchase day book? Error of omission, error of principal, compensatory error, error of commission. तो आंसर होगा error of commission. Next question, rupees 2000 received from A is credited to the account of B. It is an error of principal, compensatory, commission या omission. तो commission का error है. Next है, it is easy to detect dash then to dash. Fraud and errors, mistakes and frauds, error, frauds और error mistakes. तो third वाला सही है, errors. It is easy to detect errors than to frauds. Next, X sold goods to Y on credit for rupees 15,000 but debited to Z instead to Y. The entry would affect individual ledgers, balance sheet, trial balance या total debtors. So individual ledgers. Next question. Goods sold to Ram of rupees 4,000 was not recorded at all. What will be its effect on the trial balance? Will tally, will not tally, will have no effect, none of the above. तो आंसर है will tally. Error relating to fundamental aspect of accounting is known as error of commission, error of omission, error of principal, compensating error. तो error of principal है. Next question, which of the following statement is false? Bill receivable is a negotiable instrument. Bill receivable must be accepted by drawee. There can be three parties in respect of bill of exchange, drawer, drawee and payee. Oral bill of exchange is also valid. On one, तो oral bill of exchange is also valid. ये इसका आंसर है. Next question, on 1/1/2005, X draws a bill on Y for rupees 20,000 at maturity. Y to renew the bill for 2 months as a rate 12% per annum interest. Amount of interest will be rupees 400, rupees 300, rupees 360, rupees 380. So 400 will be the answer. Next question, which of the following statement is true? Nothing charge is an expense to be borne by drawer. Nothing charge is an expense to be borne by bank. Nothing charge is an expense to be borne by payee. Nothing charge is an expense to be borne by drawee. तो बॉर्न बाय ड्रॉई वाला जो ऑप्शन है वो हमारा करेक्ट होगा, यानी कि फोर्थ ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ लॉन्ग इज द पीरियड ऑफ डेज ऑफ ग्रेस इन केस ऑफ अ बिल? 4 days, 2 days, 3 days, 1 day. 3 days ऑफ ग्रेस होते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ बिल नॉट पेड बाय ड्रॉई ऑन ड्यू डेट इज कॉल्ड नथिंग बिल, नथिंग ऑफ बिल, रिन्यूएबल ऑफ बिल, डिसऑनर ऑफ बिल, डिस्काउंटिंग ऑफ बिल, डिसऑनर ऑफ बिल. Next question, which account is to be credited when an endorsed check is dishonored? Debtor, bill receivable, endorsee या payee? तो endorsee. Next question, a promissory note is an instrument that in writing containing an dash undertaking. Conditional, unconditional, both 1 and 2, either 1 or 2. तो unconditional. Next question है 1/8/2005 on X draws a bill on Y for 30 days after sight. The date of acceptance is 8/8/2005. The due date will be of the bill will be 8/9/2005, 10/9/2005, 11/9/2005, 9/9/2000. तो 8 से 9 हुआ तो 1 महीने बाद है, 30 days है.